How to fix you were removed from the match due to your IP, VPN machine, or cheating in Fortnite. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix you being removed from a match due to your IP, VPN machine, or cheating on Fortnite. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the process is really simple. Simply head over to the search bar on your Windows device and search for Registry Editor. That's this one right here. So open this up. Give it permission by tapping on yes, and this is what it should look like. After you're here you'll find a folder called HKey Current User. There you will see a drop-down button. Tap on that. After you've tapped on that, you will see another folder called Software. Tap on that as well. Now here you'll need to find Epic Games. All of these are arranged in alphabetical order, so it's not really hard to find Epic Games. After you find that, expand on it again. Now before we move on with this, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let's get back into it. So after you're on this Epic Games folder and inside you'll find Unreal Engine. Expand on Unreal Engine and there you'll find another folder called Identifiers. Right here, simply right click on it and delete this folder entirely. Tap on delete and delete identifiers. I won't be deleting it because I am not really facing the issue here. So simply delete the identifiers and restart your device and Fortnite. Doing that should fix your problem, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.